Hey, hello guys, this is Mario solving another hackerrank exercise. I still following the 3 months preparation kit in the week number 2. Today we are working on counting valleys. An avid hiker keeps meticulous records of their hikes during that last hike that he took exactly steps. For every step it was noted that it was an uphill U and downhill D. We can change it like up and down, right? And every step is represented by 1 unit, kilometers, meter, doesn't really matter, and always he start from the sea level. And we need to count how many valleys that a hiker pass. And how we define a valley. A valley is when we are coming from down of the sea level to the sea level or up. In this case, for example, here we can say he went down, down, up. That means like 2 units deep, and then he climbed 2 units height, and finally the hiker returned to the sea level. In this case, we have just one valley. Here we have another example. First he went up, then he went down, down, then up. But here we can see a little valley, but it's not counted because he need to reach the sea level. Then went up, the sea level. He was arriving from down of the sea level. Then he is on the sea level. That means like that is one valley. This exercise is quite straightforward. What we need to do first is to know our level. We start from the sea level. We have to track our previous level. We started from 0 as always, and we have to count our valleys. That at the beginning we have 0. For steps or for level in our path, we have to see if my level is equals to U, and this case is an uphill, then I will say level equals, I have to increase my level in 1. On the contrary, if it's going down, because we just have two options, or up or down. In this case, like it's not up, then it's down, then I have to decrease my level in 1 unit because everything is in 1 unit. Now I counted or I check it if level is equal to 0. That means I am on the sea level and my previous level is for example -1. Let's say equals to -1. Then my valleys will be increased in 1, and I have to keep tracking of my previous. That in this case my previous will be my level right now, and we have to return our valleys, and here it is. Let's check it again. For level in our path, we will go one by one here. First we go up, then we go down, up, then down, then down, then up, then down, then up. Oh, here my previous level is -1 and up is 0. That means that was one valley. We run our code, passes all the cases, and we submit it. And here we have it. Solved, counting valleys.